You might be wondering, who is this? Well, it's me, and in this video I will be telling you a bit about who am I. My name is Sanat, but my friends call me Sanka. It's just a 5 letters. In this first video, I will give you some basic info about myself. I'm an 18-year-old guy from Kazakhstan, from a town called Taras, which is located in Central Asia. I'm just a regular guy and I have a bit of extra weight, but that doesn't stop me from trying my best and improving myself. As for my hobbies, I love riding bicycles. I bought my first bike 3 years ago. Even though I had never ridden one before, I had to learn how to ride it. But once I did, I fell in love with cycling. Now I always look forward to riding it. When it comes to the gym, I'm like a dungeon master. If we are being serious, I have been going to the gym for 3 years now. And here's what has changed over the time. In the first year, I went to the gym for fun because my grandma was concerned about my weight and they got me a gym membership. So I started training in a small gym. There I trained alone, and because there was no one to help me with technique, I spent a year just learning how to perform exercise properly. As for my studies, I'm currently in my final year of college. After I graduate, I want to go to university. If I can't get into university, then some big guys will take me to the military for a year as a part of Kazakhstan's national service. That's all I want to share for now. I hope to have more interesting stories or updates in future videos. Bye bye.